Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So today I want to talk about a very popular NFP trading strategy. Okay, so if you don't know what NFP means, NFP simply stands for non-farm payroll. Okay, NFP stands for non-farm payroll, and there are various strategies for trading the NFP. All right. So I want to talk about one very popular strategy, and I'll give you the downside of this strategy. Okay, the reason why I'm giving the downside of the strategy is a lot of persons learn this strategy, especially the newbies that learn the strategy. They go and start applying it, in such a way that they they put themselves in a position of great risk. When you want to trade this strategy, do not full pot. Okay, make sure whatever you're risking is such that if it is taken out, you will still be in the game. Okay, so it's not an 100% strategy, though it works, but you also need to be careful. I'll point out the downside so you get to see what the downside really is. Okay, so what's the strategy about? We already know that the NFP comes with full force. Okay, the candle, once the news is released, the candle is usually very aggressive. Okay, now the idea behind the strategy is, if since we are not very certain which direction it's going to be, do I have a system that I can use to predict the direction? But that's like an advanced ideology or an advanced knowledge. Okay, so that aside, I'm talking about generally now. You don't know exactly where the direction is going to, so you know that it's definitely move in a certain direction, either upwards or downwards. Fine. So the methodology of this strategy is that you place just a few minutes before the news. Definitely you can check when the news will be released on Forex Factory. Okay, I'm still going to show you that. So just a few minutes before the news is going to be released, all you just need to do is you come and place a pending order a few pips above current price position. That's going to be a buy order. So you place a pending buy order a few pips above current price position. You set your stop loss there. You don't fix take profits because you don't know how far it's going to go, so you want to catch as many pips as is possible. Then below, so it's going to be buy stop actually. So below the current price position, just before the news is released, also you can see this red line. I'm using it to depict a sell stop. Okay, so you place a sell stop. Where's my red line? Okay, so you place a sell stop a few pips below the current price position. So, and you also position your stop loss, no take profits, remember. So once the news is released, as you can see, it's moved aggressively in the downwards direction. It would have triggered your sell stop, so you'll be in the trade at this point, and then it started moving downwards aggressively. Okay, single candle aggressive movements, putting you in profits. And even after the aggressive movements, you still add some trickles of downwards movements, which would have made you smile to the bank. Good and fine. Definitely the way the system works is, once you are triggered here, you do what? You take away the pending order at the top. Since you now know that the market is moving downwards, so you take the pending order, the buy order at the top, you take it away. So I actually went back in time. Okay, I'm recording this video on Sunday. What's it called? Sunday, the 7th day of July. So I went back in time a month ago. So this is June, 7th day of June. Okay, so on the 7th of June, the NFP was released. That's last month. It's always released first Friday. Okay, first Friday of the month. So it was released, and you can see everything played out according to the strategy. All right, so some persons might use this to make a video and say, oh, this is how to do the strategy, and newbies will just jump in and put the whole of the account balance on this, hoping to 10x or 5x the account balance, only to find out that it doesn't play out exactly like this every time. So I just want to sound the warning notes. Okay, so let's go to the NFP of this month. All right, Let me zoom out so I can move very fast. Okay, so the NFP of this month happened on Friday. Like I said, today is a Sunday, so it happened 2 days ago. All right, you can see market is not open yet. All right, so this is Friday, the 5th day of July 2024, and this is the NFP candle. Look at the NFP candle right here. This is the NFP candle right here. So if you made the mistake of using the same strategy, the same system to trade, you're gonna have issues, because in this case, let's say you placed a pending order to buy above price action right here, okay, and then you placed a pending order to sell below price action somewhere here. You can see what happened with this candle. You can see what happened with the NFP candle. It wicked in both directions. So what that means is your buy trade would have been triggered instantly, you know, and before you will take away the sell trade, it will also come and get triggered. So when it wicks aggressively in both directions like this, your system is gone, as in your balance is even gone, because you'll be both in a buy trade and a sell trade, and both stop losses are going to be hit. Okay, so that's the downside of this strategy. So you just have to have it at the back of your mind that it won't always play out. Okay, so it's more as if you're playing a gamble, you know. So if you want to trade this strategy, just apply your risk management. Risk management should be in play. Your risk management should be in play, so that no matter what happens, you are still going to be in the game. Your account balance is not going to be wiped out. Okay, so if you got any value, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.